So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely great dual band outdoor access point by a company called Wavlink. They sent this over, and this is the particular model, the AC600. This is the box that it comes in. Once you open it up, you are obviously going to get a quick start user guide. Just very easy, walks you through all the steps, very easy to set this device up. It's going to work in multiple different ways, which we're going to cover in this video. So now you are also going to get two ways to mount the device itself. So it has this little mounting piece, which you can attach to like a fence, the side of a barn. It's going to include the hardware, or you can also utilize their included zip ties. So if you have it like on a pole or something like that, you can zip this and secure it to that. Now you are going to get the device itself. As you can see, this is what it looks like. It has two very large antennas. You're going to get this little device right here, which is just basically going to slide over the top and help protect the antennas from kind of moving around. You're going to have all the controls on the front, which will give you your snapshot of your signal strength, your Wi-Fi, whether it's connected to LAN, and it has the power. And then on the bottom is where you will hook it up. So you'll just unscrew this little bottom piece here, and you will have the ability to plug in the power over the internet jack and the reset button. And then there's also a screw for grounding, because this thing does have lightning protection built into it, which is absolutely great because it's designed for outdoors. So if you have like a large farm or a large property, or maybe you are like a college campus type situation and you're trying to get that Wi-Fi signal over a large area, that's where this device comes in handy. And it's also it's fully weather tight. So it can handle snow, it can handle rain, it can handle dust, it can handle all those elements outdoors, which is absolutely perfect in what it is designed for. Now, they are going to include a little cable here that you're going to use to plug it in from the device. Obviously, this is just a standard size. You can get longer cables as needed. And then you are going to get the little power cord and the internet adapter here that's going to power it over the internet. So this is not weatherproof. So this needs to be inside, kind of by wherever your router is. You're going to plug it in. Right here is where it'll plug into the wall, and then you're going to have, this is what's going to go to your router itself, and then on the other side, this is what's going to go to the device, and then it's going to get all the power through that, and then simply press the little button and it will power it up. And so you don't have to worry about plugging this part in at all. You can mount this wherever you need. You just need to be able to get the network cable to it, which is really nice. Now, it does support both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, up to 600 megabits per second download speed. So it does have those faster download speeds. And obviously it has the dual signal out there. So depending on what you're using, you can connect to it. Now, it does have also multiple modes. So it has an AP router mode, it has the repeater mode, and then it has the AP repeater mode. Now, the router mode is basically you're taking your modem and then you're utilizing this as the main device. The one I use is the repeater. So I have my own little router, and then this is sending that signal out further. Now, if you have, let's say, multiple buildings, so let's say you have like your main property house, and then you have like another little area, and you want to just beam the signal straight from that to the other one, you can get two of these and you can use that AP plus router mode. So these two devices will talk to each other, and then they'll kind of communicate within those little areas. So lots of options basically for whatever your network is. You can set this up to whatever your needs are, which is great. It's not set up to just one application. You can tweak the applications as you need. As far as like your reach, how far will this thing go? It's going to go 150 meters, which that is about 650 some feet. So it's really wide. Now, that's just like in an open field. So do keep that in mind. Obviously, the more obstructions you put in, the smaller it is. But what I'm trying to get to is it's going to go a far distance. So you can cover a large area with this guy versus like a traditional kind of router setup. You can have one of these and it'll get a lot further versus having a lot of smaller, like a mesh system. We have to have a ton of small ones. So that's another nice thing. And it is omnidirectional. So it's not just going one, it is direction all the way around you in a circumference. Obviously, you want to try to place it as high as possible because Wi-Fi signal falls in a downward pattern. But It works really, really well. It maintains those fast internet speeds, which is perfect. And then it's, like I said, it's fully built for outdoors. So if you're looking for an outdoor application to send that Wi-Fi signal further to whatever you need to get it to, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy.